how to edit video in YT Create application. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit your YouTube video in YT Create application. So it's super easy, and just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. Open the YT Create application, and after opening this application you can see the plus icon. Just tap right here to import your video. So now you can see I have different videos from there. Let me tap this blank clip and I am going to select the blank clip. But if you want to select the video, you can select any of the video. The same process that I'm going to do with the blank clip. You can see my blank clip is added. Now you can see the color of the blank clip is black and I wanted to change the color. So I can just simply tap right here on the color and you can see I can select one of the color from here. So you can see this is the color is changed now. After that you can see the split option. So if I want my video in two different pieces or into different parts, so I can just simply tap right here on the split option and you can see the videos is in two parts now. Now guys, if you want to add the overlay, so you can simply tap right here on the overlay, and after tapping on overlay you can select any of the video or the photo from there to add in your video. You can add text from there by tapping on the text button. You can add stickers from there by tapping on the stickers. You can add sounds from there. You can add your voiceovers, and from there you can add your captions. And from there you can create the duplicate file of your video. So this is how you can easily edit the video in YT Create application. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.